You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing names too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Cassia, Cassia, not Cassia or Cassia. No, Cassia is how it's normally said. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, it helps, thank you. More videos for you here to learn more free, correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.